Pivot table allows us to insert a slicer, and what that slicer does is it's a handy mechanism for navigating and controlling your pivot tables query. So how we generate in a slicer is in pivot table analysis. There's the option to insert slicer, and here we can select by which field we want the slicer to be broken down by. So I want to insert a slicer which is done by the city of each sale. So I insert that slicer, and here I get a list of all the various cities that sales took place in. And what this slicer is effectively a button whereby I can select and see all the sales done in a particular city. And I can do it by product, I can do it by person, and as I click it through, I can quickly update my pivot, which will in turn update my pivot chart, and I can see a breakdown of the sales by city. So it's a very effective way of navigating through your pivot query and generating reports as you see fit.